Welcome back, everyone, to the Crypto Intelligence Portal with Covesting. My name's Nathan.
And I'm Liz. Today's topic, cryptocurrencies potential. Cryptocurrencies present a unique opportunity for investors and traders alike. A brand new, decentralized form of money. Imagine being able to travel back in time when the internet was first invented and buy in on Amazon, Google, and Facebook. In a weird parallel, this is where we are in the stages of cryptocurrency development.
As of now, we're still at less than 1% adoption rate for cryptocurrencies. This will change soon because I just got news that Bitcoin broke $10,000. Early adopters can earn huge profits by investing before their friends, families, and even enemies. It doesn't really matter because investment firms with billions can be enemies but still make your early buy really high.
Potential gains in the cryptocurrency market truly represent an opportunity that only comes around once in a lifetime. Those who were unfortunate enough to miss out on the revolution of the creation of the internet or the beginning of Bitcoin should remember that this is only the beginning of cryptocurrency, especially in the ICO scene. ICOs are a new form of crowdfunding which replace traditional methods. Incredible financial opportunities are available for those who are willing to take a leap of faith.
The best and most efficient way to understand the opportunity which cryptocurrencies represent are to first acknowledge that they are here to stay. The flaws or scams encountered since the advent of blockchain were mainly due to human greed and miscalculations, not the underlying technology. Those who were laughing at the viability of Bitcoin a few years ago are now biting their tongues at the missed opportunity. However, it's not too late.
There are also massive opportunities to day trade in cryptocurrencies. Some of the most popular coins, including those in the top 20, often swing back and forth very rapidly. Investors who are experienced in crypto can make huge profits. It's entirely possible to gain 30 to 40% in a day, sell, and then wait for the same coin to drop 30 to 40% in order to buy back in. The world of crypto is much faster paced and many times more volatile than any stock market. Even the most stable cryptocurrencies, such as Litecoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin, are nowhere near as safe as the riskiest stocks. The long-term upward trajectory is usually higher than stocks, maybe by 2 or 3 times.
As these technologies are further developed, streamlined, and adopted, the returns will be even more astronomical. With the ICO market booming, this has become one of the best ways to quickly turn massive profits to you. Many ICOs are still in their early stages. Look no further than the cryptocurrency that really launched ICOs into popularity, Ethereum, for an example of how much can be made from their gains. During Ethereum's ICO, it was roughly 30 cents USD per ETH. That means if you invested $1,000 in Ethereum 2 years ago, you'd have $1 million today. While Ethereum is one of the best ICOs to date, there are still many other success stories that have been created through ICO investing over the last few years.
Lisk, a platform similar to Ethereum, launched at an ICO price at around 7 cents. The current market price is now hovering around $6. An investment of $100 would have equated gains as high as $8,500 in under a year. Walton Coin, or WTC, is another recent example of a coin whose ICO price was under 50 cents and within just months has grown to over $6, with plenty of room to grow further. The amount of money to be made from discovering incredible projects early are astounding.
While it's often said that cryptocurrencies are in a bubble compared to the famous dot-com burst, one must remember that the internet was much more popular during that time than cryptos are today.
It was much easier for people to invest in internet companies than it is to invest in ICOs or other cryptocurrencies today. With high fees on many exchanges such as Coinbase and mass adoption not yet in sight, cryptocurrencies are still in their infancy and certainly ripe for more growth. The total market cap of all cryptocurrencies worldwide is only around $200 billion, while the total market cap of the United States stock market alone is valued at $18.5 trillion. The world's 3 richest men could buy all the cryptocurrency in the world by themselves.
So imagine when 1% of the money held in the US stock market begins to move into cryptocurrencies. The returns and growth will be far more than it is today, and we won't be in a bubble. Now imagine when 2%, 5%, 10%, or even more of that from the US stock market moves into the economy. Now think about if the world's economy's capital moves into crypto.
We are far from being in a bubble, and in fact the growth has just begun. Although Bitcoin is several years old, it can only process 3 to 4 transactions per second. The Ethereum network, on the other hand, can process 20 transactions per second. In comparison, PayPal can process an average of 193 transactions per second, and Visa tops everyone at 2,000 per second.
Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin has said Ethereum will match Visa's scale in a couple of years. As the capacity of the network grows, the capital pouring in is likely to grow in conjunction. The combined growth will serve to bring more users to the Ethereum network, which is the fastest growing platform of all cryptocurrencies. Alright everyone, we'll see you back here for the next episode at the Crypto Intelligence Portal.
Thanks for watching.